Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Minified React Error 185 in ChatGPT. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the fixes. What you have to do, open Chrome, then click on this three dot and then go to settings, then click on privacy and security, then click on third party cookies, then click on see all site data and permissions. Now here search for ChatGPT and then click on trash icon and then click on delete to confirm. Then here type OpenAI, then click on trash icon and then click on delete. Now go to the extension, click on manage extension, then disable all the extension, then close the Chrome browser and then relaunch Chrome browser, and then you can check Minified React Error 185 in ChatGPT is fixed or not. This has solved the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. But if this fix doesn't work, then the second solution is to try alternative web browser. You can try Microsoft Edge, Brave browser, Opera browser, or Mozilla Firefox browser, and then check if the error is fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.